Epic fail. Epic fail. Fire alarm. The smoke alarm is failing. Wow. 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 The smoke alarm one just failed. But this guy still works. Yep. This smoke alarm still works, but the other smoke alarms, like, no, it's failed. Like, the wires probably don't work right. There we go. Don't know why this smoke alarm is failing, but hear the sound of it. Still works as a good thing. That's a good thing, but we have to check like smoke alarms that works or not, you know. Well, happy Fire Alarm National Day. Happy National Fire Alarm Day to all viewers who like fire alarms. Goodbye.